before we get into this video, we're gonna do a short Amazon unboxing. Let me tell y'all something. Amazon Prime, they had me in the chokehold. Okay? Let me show y'all. Look at this. Look at this. All of that is what I ordered on Amazon Prime Day. Okay? And we're about to do a little bit unboxing about everything that we got. But when I say I probably spent over $500, like, I mean, I've spent over $500. One thing that I got, as you can see, is this light. So some of the stuff I had already unboxed. This light right here, you gotta get it. Look at the difference. Before, after. So all of the stuff that I'm showing you guys is gonna be in my Amazon storefront. So I also ordered this. Let me see it. It's called the She Reads Truth. This is a Christian Standard Bible. So my goal is to not only get closer to God, but in the mornings, I want to be able to take care of myself with self-care. And one of those ways is for me to connect with God. I want to, in the mornings, meditate as well as read daily scriptures. Just get that connection with Him. So that's why I got these highlighters. So these highlighters I will be using for this. Also, this baby right here is the truth. This one is a mount with a cold adjustable 90 degrees 4-way rotation. This right here is a game changer. If you're doing YouTube or if you're a content creator trying to get long and short form content. So for example, what this do is this goes on top of your camera. Being said, you getting long form content for YouTube and you also getting short form content. That's a win is a win. I got this accessory, the case. I got this off of Amazon for my iPad. That's what I got here. Yes. So this right here, security. I mean, so actually these two right here, these were a bundle deal for Amazon Prime. This was a steal. I had to get it. This is the Ring and this is the Echo Show. So basically this was a 2-for-1. They had it as a bundle. Both of these together was $60. And y'all know the Ring by itself is way more than that. So this, if you don't know about the Ring, is basically it's for security reasons. You put this outside your doorbell. You can see who's outside your door. Your doorbell. Long story short. And this is the Echo Show 5. This is the 3rd gen. I can't wait to use it, but it has cameras with built-in shutters, Bluetooth, Alexa, a microphone with camera. It's a smart display, and it got a whole lot of other different things. So I can't wait to use these. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh. So I had ordered, this is a tripod. So I have one, but I wanted to see a different one. Just to see if I would like it. Your camera is very, yeah, this bad boy is sturdy. This is a bad, oh, this bad boy's sturdy. Like the tripod that I have now, I also got off Amazon. I'll link that here. This is for all my Bluebird ice cream lovers. If you're a mom in Houston, I highly recommend that you take a detour to visit the Bluebird Creamery, located in Brenham, Texas. That's 1 hour and 12 minutes from Houston. When you first walk in, they have a big Bluebird truck where, of course, we took pictures and then we headed to the restroom. We first started with the self-guided tour at the visitor center where you can learn the history of Bluebird ice cream. And that's where I asked the kids, which flavor are you looking forward to trying?
All of them. And
which flavor are you looking forward to trying?
all of them. Cookie dough.
In the visitor center, we had a lot of historical displays, also an information desk. The lady informed us that we had 1 hour to head up to the observation desk because they do close at a certain time. So just make sure that you guys get there before they close if you want to see how the Bluebird ice cream is made. Which flavor are you looking forward to trying, Cameron?
Strawberry.
Which one you looking forward to? What kind of ice cream you want to try?
You want to try strawberry?
Strawberry. Okay.
Strawberry.
After we reviewed the history of the Bluebell ice cream, we made our way to grab our paper Bluebell hats at their observation ice cream parlor. They're open Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, but once again, just remember to call to make sure the observation is. So, as you can see, we grabbed all of our hats, and wow, look at all this ice cream. Can you guys believe that the ice cream scoops are only $1? The observations was amazing. You got to see, kids got to see how to make ice cream, but we couldn't take any pictures. On the second floor by the observation deck, they also had a cute gift shop, and the most amazing part where me and the kids couldn't wait on. So, they have $1 per scoop. Every scoop is $1. You ready for some ice cream?
I want strawberry. I want every single kind.
Say who?
I want every single kind. I want every single kind too.
I know ice cream's not to get and what to get.
Which one you getting? Huh?
Oh, mommy, it's from TikTok. Can I have monster?
Oh, we don't have
Huh?
I mean, I'll please have a strawberry.
Strawberry, okay. Yeah, that's strawberry.
I'll take this. Yummy.
The happy. Yeah. Almost that one. You like that?
What's the trash can? See that little...
Now, this is why I said that they didn't need more than one scoop. Look at how big one scoop for $1 is. Now, sit back and watch us enjoy our ice cream. What you think?
You got strawberry, I think.
Want to try some? Hey, you like it? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate your ice cream? 8. An 8? Kyron, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate your ice cream? How did your ice cream? Was it 1 as not meaning it wasn't good, or 10 as meaning it was awful?
10.
10? 10? Yeah. Drew?
Mommy.
1 through 10?
I'm gonna find Aubrey. 2.
Huh?
I'm gonna find Aubrey.
Kaylee, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate your ice cream?
10.
Yours was a 10? The strawberry, 1 to 10? 9. Now, these are all the flavors that they have at the Bluebell Ice Cream Creamery. I thought that it was also unique. If you look at the top at the blue pints at the top, it's spelling Bluebell. That's so cool.